Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal again, guys. Right now I have Brother Printer DCP model 1510 model. If ever you give print command from computer or give copy command from printer, you will hear a strange noise in the printer and printer is not able to feed the paper. So today we will fix this printer and I will teach you what is the exact issue in your Brother Printer if it's not picking up the paper. So stay with me, watch the complete video. I will rotate my camera now and will demonstrate. I'm going to give copy command and it started copying. You can hear the noise. This is the noise and printer is not picking up the paper. Okay, what is the exact issue today we will teach. We will fix this printer. So first of all, open the top cover. Then we have to disassemble this left side. Okay, so for this side we have to disassemble. We have to remove this screw over here. One screw is here, okay, and one screw in the left. Total 4 screws. And first of all, with the help of flat screwdriver, try to release this holder. Okay, release it, because the screw over here you cannot remove until you have to open this. Fine. One screw is down over there. One screw is over here. This is a critical way, because this side cover is occupied with 4 screws. So we have locks, some locks you have to make sure. One lock is here, okay, and one lock is here. Here you can see this is one lock. Okay, and then from the back side, you can see, and now from the down, okay, you can see. Here you can see, guys, if I will show you in the zoom. You can see, guys, this gear came out, so that's why it's not feeding the paper. I will fix inside, okay, and now we will check. Okay, you can see now it's working and there is no noise, and it's feeding the paper also. This gear came out sometimes, and this is the gear that is creating noise. Look, and it's feeding the paper. So whenever you in Brother Printer you hear a noise, strange noise, you have to check this gear. This gear should be inside, and then it will rotate the drive. Very easy method, and if you have any other Brother Printer, you can use the same method. Guys, as I mentioned, now the gear on the top right side over there, this came out sometimes, and it's caused to the noise and unable to feed the paper. So first of all, whenever your Brother Printer is not picking up the paper, it's creating noise, you have to disassemble it partially, not fully, okay, the top left side, and then you have to find this gear, is it working well or not. If you have any other question regarding your brother printer or any kind of LaserJet printer, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.